Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel WestJet flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you need to go and log into your profile or register to WestJet, if you of course already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the flights, vacations, and offers. And we have book a flight where you can go and put all the information and book your own flight. And also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel WestJet flight. So basically, as soon as you know you won't make your flight actually, so when you know that you won't make your flight, call the airline immediately and talk to their customer service. If you're lucky, you'll catch a representative having a great day who is super willing to help you out. Just be polite and gracious and pleasant attitude, and you can get probably a refund if you, of course, ask for it. You can, of course, go to the top right corner, click on the help center where you can go and click on contact us, and all those things where you can go and actually find the numbers which you can go actually call or ask them. So just ride your luck. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, or share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.